Hey everyone, it's your editor-in-chief, Julia Hare at Rethink Retail. And before we hop into today's interview, I wanted to let you know that the code Rethink Retail works on Davines.com to get you free shipping on their products. Again, this is a wonderful brand. It's professional hair care products. Go check it out if you haven't already. That's Davines.com. And this code was brought to you by our sponsor, Coveo, which is an AI-powered relevance platform. I know the people at Coveo, excellent stuff. Go look at them if you are a retailer or brand, especially at coveo.com. And let us know what you think about the episode. Feel free to subscribe and drop a like in the comments. Thanks, guys. Today, we're speaking with retail executive Karli Bruno. Karli is the e-commerce and digital marketing manager at Davines, and this is a professional hair care brand. You may have heard of them. Their products are care crafted in Italy, and they focus on sustainable, natural ingredients. And prior to joining, Karli was focused on e-commerce at Mood Fabrics and Lord & Taylor and the D2C retail industry. Karli is from New Jersey, but she's been living in Manhattan for the last 6 years. It's great to have you on the show today, Karli.
Hey, Julia, thank you so much. It's great to be here.
So I wanted to dive in and just have you tell us a little bit about the brand and your role at the company.
Sure. So like you said, I am the e-commerce manager and digital marketing manager at Davines here in the US. I oversee North America, so that includes both the US market and the Canadian market. And so, like you said, Davines is a professional hair care brand that was care crafted in Parma, Italy. We are a B Corp, where we're known for our sustainability efforts around packaging, our carbon neutral shipping, supporting biodiversity, and some more. As the e-commerce and digital marketing manager, I oversee pretty much everything soup to nuts on the site. So whether it's our site merchandising, our copy and images, customer care, user experience from beginning to end, and all of our marketing, communication, and digital advertising. A little bit of our story is we are mainly known for being a professional hair care brand that's in salons. So no one really saw the global pandemic coming, but when it did, it forced almost every salon worldwide to shut down. So not only now is there a ton of disposable income from everyone because they're no longer paying for these intense hair treatments, but they're kind of bored and they're spending a lot more of their time at home, and they're digging into at-home treatments and hair care treatments and more luxury products and self-care. And that's really like where the market took off, is more in like wearing comfortable clothes like athleisure and makeup and nail art and hair care and not really that much into like the ready to wear industry. So it was really a huge opportunity for us and our e-commerce, because everyone's turning to online shopping. They can't go to stores, they can't go to salons. So we really had to deliver like a best-in-class experience to all of our in-salon customers and still make sure that we're able to give them the Davines products and the at-home treatments for themselves. You know, it's really important for us to mirror that. I want to say an in-store experience, but it's more like an in-salon experience. And so the way that we've really been able to do that this past year was through personalization on the site and making the customer feel that they're special and that their worth is hair care, and that we want to provide them the best-in-class experience. So that's been a huge challenge, but also a win for us, I would say, in the last few years.
Sure, because I'm assuming you have a lot of very loyal Davines customers. And so when you were making the switch from not just selling to the salons, but going direct to the consumer, did you already have a lot of data on your end customers? Was that ready to go, or did you have to build that up?
We had some, we have always had an e-commerce site, but it really, really took off, and we saw a huge spike in traffic and sales when all this happened. So we almost had to relearn our customer. We had to relearn, like, how are they getting to the site? How are they hearing from us? What do they want? Do they want treatments? Do they want a regular hair care routine? Are they interested in styling products? Or, you know, do they care about our ingredients? Do they know how to use the product? So we really had to dive into that and know who we're serving and what to give them at the right time. And that's why, you know, even our partnership with Coveo right now has been so crucial, because they help us reach the right customer at the right time with the right product. It's like those three pieces that are so important together. Is you want the right customer, and you want to make sure that you're giving them You're reaching them at the right time when they're ready to purchase, when they're ready to try something new, when they're running low on their products. And then what are we going to do? Are we going to give them a new shampoo or a new fun styling product to add into their routine, or like a treatment for shine or for curls, and making sure that we're giving them the right product that will help them.